So we are here at the Inn at Christmas Place in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and today we are going to do a Christmas in July video. We're going to eventually show you around here at the Inn at Christmas Place, one of our favorite hotels here in Pigeon Forge. We have a couple of other videos where we've toured the entire hotel, but we'll kind of highlight some things because this hotel is ever-changing with the decorations. They have a 4-person team where they change out the decorations, so it's never going to look the same when you stay here in terms of decorations. We're also going to go over to Pigeon Forge Snow and cool off. Heat index is like over 100 degrees right here in Pigeon Forge, so we're going to cool off, play in some snow, go down some snow tubing hills, and like I said, we'll show you around here, maybe do a little scavenger hunt that they have here at the hotel, and hope you guys will join us. Y'all ready? Even in July, you can be in the Christmas spirit. As soon as you walk into your room, they got Christmas music playing, a fireplace on the TV, Christmas tree, some reindeer. This is wonderful.
Leave this here, Daddy.
Hershey Kisses.
And they always leave this here at the chocolate hotel. But it's not a chocolate hotel. It's just a Santa hotel. But Santa hotels give you chocolate.
That's right.
And they're called chocolate kisses. You always get them, but they're kind of good for you. But they're like sugar, so.
And it smells really good in here too. That's the other thing I want to mention is it smells very clean, but it's not like masking some sort of an odor. It's just a very pleasant, clean smell. One change I have noticed, they used to have like a green Christmas soap here, and now it's just a normal spa soap, which not a big deal by any means. And over here, we got some poinsettias above the commode. And you're happy to be here, aren't you? Jennifer, what did you just notice that we have never noticed in our time staying here before?
It looks like brown paper packages and Christmas trees.
So we always love their breakfast bar that they have here. It is a buffet. Got some apple juice. Over here, there's chocolate milk. The boys got chocolate milk. They have made-to-order omelets, cereal, donuts, which we did not get, waffles. It's just a great buffet. Jennifer ended up getting a bagel and a bowl of fruit for her breakfast. A lot of times at hotels you get the cheap sausage links, but here they don't have those cheap ones. And they even season the home fries. And on each napkin holder, they have a joke here. Check this out. What did the gingerbread put on his bed? A cookie sheet. So for $9.99, they do have an area where you can play in the snow. They also have a viewing area up here if you're not participating in the tubing. And the tubing is $29.99 for 1 hour. When it comes to this one or Rowdy Bear, which was your favorite?
Now, Rowdy Bear is longer, but this one is definitely faster, and I'd probably choose this one.
Yeah, so what I like about this is it's one continuous hill, and it's actual, I mean, it's artificial snow, but it's more snow-like than it was at Rowdy Bear. Rowdy Bear is like just pretty much a big giant sheet of ice, but I really like this one. I feel it's more organized. You have a wristband here, you scan it, shows you how much time that you have left every time that you go up. It's just a little bit more orderly, a little more organized, and I'm a fan of Pigeon Forge Snow. And if you have forgotten your gloves, they have them here. These thicker heavy-duty gloves here are going for $12 a piece, and these cotton gloves, which these will get soaked right through very quickly in that snow, but these are $5 a piece. And I may have mentioned it already, but if I haven't already, it is 65 to 70 degrees max year-round in here, so a very comfortable temperature no matter what time of the year that you come.
It's for three wise men, they who travel far.
Henry, right here, bud. So after the Santa concert, you get milk and cookies. They have sugar cookies and chocolate chip cookies, chocolate milk, white milk. And then you come in here to the dining room and eat it with all the Christmas decorations around. How are the cookies, boys?
Good. Good.
So this is the new artist depiction of the lazy river that they're building, which should open in August of 2024. It's pretty impressive.
Oh, that's right. And I knew where that was.
So here's where they're at currently with the progress in July. And right down here, you can't really see from up here, but there's little lights that are gleaming in each of these snowflakes. A great shot of the parkway and the Smoky Mountains. All right, so we are starting the scavenger hunt, and there's an easy one and a difficult one here. We're looking for all of these items. So we completed the scavenger hunts, and what did your boys get?
We got ring for the surprise.
Santa ring.
And a pirate book.
Very cool.
And Santa actually has a pirate book, and that's why he has a pirate book, because he loves birds.
Oh,
He loves
And I
birds.
got Santa.
Jennifer and I also got a couple of magnets here.
Since we were the helpers, we were the elves.
Can I see?
That was Christmas in July at the Inn at Christmas Place in Pigeon Forge Snow. Henry, what'd you think about the Inn at Christmas Place?
The food was good, and everything was good, and the sausage was good. We go down to breakfast, but breakfast is all the way down there, and they have stairs to get down there to eat breakfast down there. And they also have elevators in case you need to go down or up.
What about your scavenger hunt or meeting Santa?
Well, the scavenger hunt was gonna take long because we have to find all the things because we had to. But there's another person meeting us. Gentry meet him, and I don't know what's his name. I don't know, whatever. I don't know. So.
What about meeting Santa?
Yeah, he was pretty cool.
And he knew your name, didn't he?
Yeah.
Every time he saw you, he's like, well, hello, Henry.
Did you write it the note I sent?
You sent him a note, didn't you?
Yeah, I hope that he liked it.
I bet he did. And Gentry.
I gotta say, Pigeon Forge Snow was really fun. It was faster than Rowdy Bear. I would definitely like that one more than Rowdy Bear. The Christmas place here, very good. The scavenger hunt was very fun here. The breakfast, very filling. All in all, I really like staying here and all the other places that we go.
All right. And Jennifer.
As always, the Christmas Inn is wonderful. Will get you in the Christmas mood no matter what time of year, so that's really cool. They play Christmas music, you get the fire kind of feel whenever you walk into your room, get Hershey Kisses on your table, and just the staff is so great, and you get to see Santa at sometimes when he's here, and he just so happened to be here this time, and we got to attend his concert, and the boys got to interact with him and tinsel his elf, and just a great time.
And when it comes to Pigeon Forge Snow, I just thought that they had it a lot more together than one of the other ones that we went to recently. It was a lot smoother, not as intense in my opinion. The other one's a lot more intense, but smoother. You still get a lot of good speed on it. And like I said, just very well organized at Pigeon Forge Snow. And of course, here at the Inn at Christmas Place, if someone said, name your favorite hotel, I would have to say this one. It is just something special. They're playing Christmas music everywhere you walk, and it just brings you a sense of peace and calmness. And of course, the Santa concert, always a blast, always a hit. We do have 2 other videos in tours here at the Inn at Christmas Place. So if you want to see like a more in-depth tour, we'll put a link, we'll put both links in fact in the description below. But guys, we thank you so much for joining us here for this video that we're going to title Christmas in July. And we sure to look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Every Day is Saturday.
Woo! Subscribe to our channel. And we always love Santa because he always loves cookies and milk and cookies.
That is true.
And he always dips the cookies. But the cookies are for dipping the milk into it, so that's why they're so delicious.